Dongfeng, the leading truck and bus manufacturer in China. Its products are widely used in key areas such as public transportation, logistics, and tourism, with a market presence not only across the country, but also in many countries and regions around the world. Dongfeng offers abundant options for customers, including electric buses, hydrogen fuel cell buses, and fuel-powered buses. Truck products including truck chassis cab, cargo truck, semi-tractor, special purpose vehicle, off-road vehicle, etc., to meet the needs of different customers.
Hi everyone, this is Leo from DuraMac. In this video, I will introduce
DFMSV EQ4251GTBEV1 semi-tractor. DFMSV EQ4251GTBEV1 semi-tractor is a battery swap type EV truck produced by Dongfeng Special Vehicle Co. Limited.
the overall dimension of DFMSV
EQ4251GTBEV1 semi-tractor is 7,410 millimeters by 2,550 millimeters by 3,250 millimeters. The maximum gross vehicle weight is 25,000 kilograms. The maximum speed is 85 kilometers per hour, and the road driving range is no less than 210 kilometers.
The rated power of DFMSV
EQ4251GTBEV1 is 315 kilowatts. The rated torque is 1,500 Newton meters. The peak power of the electric motor is 450 kilowatts, and the corresponding peak torque of 2,400 Newton meters. EQ4251GTBEV1 semi-tractor adopts battery from Shanghai Qiyuan. The total battery capacity is 400 kilowatt-hour. It incorporates a thermal management system for the power batteries, enabling intelligent thermal management monitoring. EQ4251GTBEV1 semi-tractor
comes with standard hand axle.
Features a front axle rated for 5.5 tons and middle and rear axles rated for 11.5 tons. The entire system has high reliability and stronger environmental adaptability. EQ4251GTBEV1
Equipped with safety systems like ABS
and air brakes, and comfort amenities such as dual-zone air conditioning, enhancing safety and ride experience. It is come with a spacious interior ensuring passenger comfort. As the official distributor of Dongfeng Special Vehicle, DuraMac can provide customized services to meet the diverse demands of our customers. From Dongfeng Cummins engine to Dongfeng.The axle, from transfer case to independent axle, from complete chassis to complete truck and bus. We are flexible with different types of cooperation based on different product ranges.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact DuraMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.Duramac.com.